Guys, welcome back on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for supporting me. Thank you for subscribing. This time I'm going to make my chicken bread, crispy chicken bread. This is my breadcrumb egg. This is my chicken. I'm going to cut it like this. I've finished washing it. Then cut like this. I'm going to add my spices. Half a spoon of turmeric, half a spoon of black pepper, half a spoon of curry. I'm going to add ginger and garlic. I added even half a spoon of salt. I'm going to mix it together. After mixing, guys, I have my eggs here and this is my crumbled bread. I'm going to do it like this and put my chicken here like that. Right now I'm going to start frying my chicken. My chicken is ready right now, guys. Thank you so much, guys, for supporting me. Thank you for subscribing. Those ones who have not yet subscribed, please kindly subscribe on my YouTube channel, like, comment, press the notification bell, and don't miss out on my next video. I love you so much, guys. Peace.